Okay, so we've got a 2019 Lexus UX200 in an F-Sport automatic wagon. Travelled only 10,000 kilometres in blue. Got the reverse camera and sensors, shadow chrome alloy wheels, front sensors, satellite navigation, reverse camera. Represents great value at $55,000. We'll take a look at the interior. So you've got your multi-function steering wheel there with your cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity. There's your dash there. Over to the satellite navigation. Dual zone climate air conditioning, automatic. There's your command center there. The leather seats are in excellent condition. There's no damage or scratches, as is the front passenger. There's your back seat there, like it's never been sat in. Just pop the boot. Power tailgate. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.